Come test drive the 2016 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel drive, cruise control, fog lamps, bed liner, tachometer, daytime running lamps. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.